Here's a question almost nobody can answer on the spot. Exactly how many years will it take for your money to double? Not roughly, not someday, exactly. There's a one-line piece of math that answers it in seconds, and almost everyone who's heard of it credits it to the wrong man entirely. Most people will tell you Albert Einstein invented this trick, and that he called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. It's a great story. It's also not true. There's no solid documentation Einstein ever said that, quote, it's one of those attributed lines that gets repeated so often it hardens into fact. And the math itself wasn't his. It was written down roughly 400 years before Einstein was even born. The real author was a Franciscan friar named Luca Pacioli, born around 1447 in San Sepolcro, in the Republic of Florence. Picture him the way he was actually painted around 1495 to 1500, standing behind a table crowded with geometric tools, a slate, a stick of chalk, a compass, a wooden dodecahedron model, wearing the ash blue habit of his order, stylus in hand, working out a problem on a blackboard marked Ivy's Clydes. A glass rhombic-octahedron, half filled with water, hangs suspended in the corner of the frame. Beside him stands a richly dressed young man in fur trim in vivid red sleeves. This is a real portrait, attributed to Jacopo de Barbari, hanging today in the Capodimonte Museum in Naples. Pacioli wasn't just a monk with a chalkboard. He collaborated with Leonardo da Vinci, and in 1494 he published a massive mathematics textbook called Summa de Arithmetica. Buried inside it was a shortcut for estimating how long an investment takes to double. That shortcut is the rule of 72. Here's how it works. Take the number 72, divide it by your annual interest rate. The answer is roughly how many years until your money doubles. At 8% interest, 72 divided by 8 equals 9. Your money doubles in about 9 years. Drop that rate to just 2%, and 72 divided by 2 equals 36. You're waiting 36 years for the same result. Same starting balance, wildly different outcomes, and you didn't need a financial calculator to see it coming. So why 72 specifically? Pacioli wasn't picking a magic number. He was picking a convenient one. 72 divides cleanly by 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9, and 12. That means the math works out to a clean whole number of years for almost any realistic interest rate you'd actually encounter, without a remainder to fuss over. Underneath it, there's real logarithmic math going on. The true formula is the natural log of 2 divided by the natural log of 1 plus your rate. But nobody in 1494 was solving logarithms with a quill pen. 72 was the elegant shortcut, and it's most accurate in the range most savers and investors actually live in, roughly 6 to 10% annual returns. Push far outside that band, and the estimate starts to drift. Now here's the part almost nobody mentions. This rule doesn't only work in your favor. Flip it around and it becomes a warning label. Apply the same division to a debt balance instead of a savings balance, and it tells you exactly how long it would take an unpaid debt to double if you never touched it. Same formula, same 72, completely opposite outcome depending on which side of the ledger you're standing on. And there's a quieter cousin most people have never heard of at all. The rule of 42, instead of estimating time to double, it estimates time to grow by 50%. Different milestone, same underlying shortcut, same logic Pacioli was working with over 5 centuries ago. Quick note before you go running numbers on your own accounts. This is a rough estimation tool, not investment advice, and nothing here is a guarantee of future returns. It's a way to build intuition, not a promise. So the next time someone credits this trick to Einstein, you'll know better. It belongs to a Franciscan friar in an ash blue habit, standing at a chalkboard in Renaissance Italy, working out how numbers grow when you leave them alone long enough. Take your own rate of return, divide it into 72, and you'll know something most people never bother to calculate. Exactly when your money crosses the line from what you put in to double what you put in. That's one money myth cleared up. In the next episode of this series, we're taking apart another number everyone assumes is true about their finances. One that might be quietly costing you more than you think. See you there.